These Goan coconut cookies called Bolinhas are crispy on the outside and super moist and delicious on the inside. Semolina is roasted and cooled. Egg white is beaten till it's white and foamy and kept aside. Butter and sugar are creamed together, and then egg yolks are added and incorporated into the butter and sugar. Fresh grated coconut is added and it's mixed together with crushed cardamom seeds. The semolina is then added in additions, and finally the egg white is folded in. This mixture is chilled before divided. A typical crisscross pattern is made and it's then baked. I will start with 250 grams of semolina. Roast this in a pan. You just don't want it to change color too much. Just lightly toast it to release the flavor. Allow the semolina to cool completely. Next, I'm going to whisk 3 extra large egg whites. This is roughly 150 grams. I find that whisking the egg whites in a smaller bowl like this measuring jug helps to get the eggs to a stiff stage very fast rather than using it in a wide bowl. In a bowl, I'm going to add 60 grams of room temperature butter. I'm also going to add 250 grams of sugar, and I'm going to start to cream everything together. I live in Toronto and the room temperature butter is usually still pretty hard, so I'll just use my spatula to help to blend it. Next, I'm going to add in 3 egg yolks. This is roughly 60 grams. I'm going to mix this in well together. Add 250 grams of finely grated fresh coconut. I'm using fresh frozen coconut, which is fine, but you must make sure to remove all of the excess water. Add the crushed seeds of 4 cardamoms, and I'm going to start to add in the semolina in batches. Finally, fold in the whipped egg white. Now I'm going to cover this and refrigerate it till it's nice and firm. This could take anywhere from 2 to 6 hours or more. Once the mixture is well chilled, use the tool of your choice to divide the dough. Shape it, and if you find that it's getting a little bit sticky, use a little bit of flour so it's easier to handle. I have my baking pans prepped with some parchment paper, and I'm going to sprinkle some semolina. Add the divided cookie dough, and using a butter knife, I'm just going to make a crisscross pattern that is very typical on a bolina. I'm now going to add this to my preheated oven that was heated at 350 degrees, and I'm going to cook it for about 45 minutes. If you have 2 trays, rotate the bolinas in between. Cool and enjoy.